Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we are starting to put up all the Christmas decor and we are going to show how to assemble a mega tree. So there's lots of different kinds of mega trees. This is one of the older styles that uses just the strings of Christmas lights rather than the RGB strips. So the things that you're going to need to do this is going to be 16 strings of lights of whatever choice of length you would like. Then you'll have to have the controller that will control the lights. In this case, it also has the antenna since it's wireless. Then you're also going to have the pole. So we have a piece of ABS pipe here with an extension. Then you'll also need the star that goes on top and the guy wires. You'll also need all of the stakes and everything to hold it in place and a ladder. So we'll go ahead and start out with getting the spot picked where we're going to put it, and go ahead and start putting the pole up and hooking the lights on. So first thing we went ahead and did is set up the lower part of the pole, the shorter part, with the star on top, and attach the 3 guy wires. You'll need help doing this step. Each one of these wires has a loop made at the top end of it that has a zip tie to allow it to hook onto each hook. And we dress these all the way around so they're pointing in the way that they're designed to point. And then at the bottom, you want to lay them out in a fan all the way around so they will not tangle when the tree goes up. Alright, all the lights are now put up and they're all fanned out around the tree but not hooked to the ground yet. So now with a helper, we're going to go ahead and hold the pole, untie the guy wires, and put the extension on the pole to stand it up tall, and then retie the guy wires. And we have the pole extension put on and the pole's in place where we want it. The guy wires are all tightened. You want to tighten them enough that it keeps pressure on it, but not so tight that it starts to deform the pole. Sometimes you will see a little bit of deforming in the pole depending on what kind of pole you use, which is fine as long as it's sturdy still. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and stretch out all the lights and dress them into their right positions with the stakes. The lights are all attached and all of the strings are hooked down with their individual stakes all the way around. Next thing we're going to do is set up the controller and plug all the strings into the controller in the fashion that they are supposed to be for your particular design. So there is the final product all laid out, and we'll go ahead and wait till nighttime and take a look at it. And there the tree is all finished up. So I hope that was a good video for anybody looking to set up a mega tree. There's lots of different options on how to do that. You can kind of use your artistic license to set it up in whatever manner you would like to basically do the same thing. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.